Yo! Yo! What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another stream, and I am scared to do this and show y'all what new info we have. I'm sorry, but I am scared because as I know a few of y'all know, today we have severe weather, still in moderate risk, level 4 out of 5. Um, and guys, this is day 2. Day 2 high risk, y'all. Day 2 high risk. Upgrade to a 30 sig tour. 30 sig wind and 30 sig hail. Y'all, day 2 high risk. This is the 3rd time that the SPC has ever done that. All right, significant tornadoes, some of which should be long track and potentially violent, are expected on Saturday afternoon and evening. That is some strong wording right there, y'all. That is some really strong wording. And yeah, this an intense mid-level jet, 100 to 110 knots at 500 millibar. That is. We'll read the discussion, but again, I would like to introduce the man, the myth, the legend himself. I don't know if he's here, but I know he might be in chat somewhere. He's not in chat. Totally not TRG, guys. Yo, I genuinely am concerned for tomorrow because that is crazy. Alrighty. But yeah, y'all, like I said, dude, day 2 high risk, and that is a big high risk. Like that is a really big high risk. 30,853 square miles. I'm scared for what could play out tomorrow, and what probably will. About what would play out. I'm scared. It's scary, y'all. It is. It is crazy. I did call it too. If y'all remember yesterday, I did call that this would go high risk at the afternoon update. I did call it. I was confident in it, and it it is it happened. And before we dive deep into this is y'all, this is gonna be like a kind of like a pre-stream. We're still gonna look at model runs for today, tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure 18Z ARRR may be rendering in soon. No, I think no, because it's got to finish rendering the 17Z. But yeah. Yeah, before we do that, let's see who's all in here. We got Proxy, we got random guy, we got Ultimate, we got Lakeisha, we got Pete, we have Cal. I'm just gonna say Lily. We have anyone else? James. And yeah, I hope everyone's having a good day so far, just in general. Hope everyone's, staying safe. It is Friday. It is a Friday. That's always good. But the fact that we got this to talk about and this to track today. Not too fun because that is a it is crazy. This is definitely crazy and like I said yesterday, y'all, this is nothing to mess around with at all. This risk is gonna be no joke at all. As y'all can see, like I said, day 2 high risk. There he is.
Yep. Hi.
Hello.
How we doing? We got a day 2 high.
Yeah, I know. I know. Hi. I know. Hi.
Bruh.
But
You're not funny.
I know that. But anyways, yeah.
Do you see the MCD just issued for a 95% watch?
No, I did not. I have to go check that out real
You
quick.
knew. Oh.
Bro, I was greeting everybody.
Man, this is gonna be a
Rapidly
big threat.
developing squall line as early as 3 to 5 p.m. Central.
Actually, storms are already firing in eastern Oklahoma.
So all right. So it's call like you're calling on the phone. All right. Yeah, appreciate you for joining. So we got a most probable peak intensity 65, 80 mile per hour winds, 1.5 to 2.5 inch hail, tornado 85 to 115 miles an hour. That is that's crazy. So we're gonna see a watch soon because it's a 95% chance. Has there ever been a 95% chance of a watch happening and it did not happen? TRG, do you know?
Yes, we have indeed had that.
Wow. I know.
I've actually witnessed it. Also, you should seriously look in DMs.
Right. Oh. Oh. I'm not saying that, but
Yeah, that's a little something right there.
that's y'all. Okay. No, I'm not saying it. Don't ask. Sorry, but just to add on, this could be historic. Like just in another way, like it it already has been already, but
Referring
this
to tomorrow.
referring to tomorrow, by the way. Um, we just found out something that you know, it could be historic in another level again. That's scary, TRG. I was not expecting that.
Hello, Lily. And Pete. And Daisy. And Random Guy.
Oh, hey
And
Daisy.
Lakeisha.
What's up, everybody?
Jeez.
Everybody here.
I'm a celebrity in this chat. Woo, I like this.
I know, right? They
Oh,
love you more than
man.
they love me.
Man.
Proxy, I would say that, but it's too controversial.
I hate these high-end days, dude. It just gives you such a bad feeling.
Like my stomach hurts.
Yeah,
like
same goes.
like my stomach hurts, and my stomach does not hurt for weather, unless I
I
have.
get that every time we get a large, moderate, or a high risk, it sinks in. I'm like, man, I don't even really want to track this because I know how bad it's gonna be.
Yeah, I don't want to track it either, but I'm gonna have the mindset where I gotta help as many people as possible, potentially save lives. That's the goal, and even if I can do that to one singular person, I know I did my job right. And plus, I'm just here just to just give a heads up in general to anyone, whether it's a scary
Yep.
risk or not. That's my that's gonna be our job is to just be here. Scary as it sounds, it is it about a certain day at all? Oh, it's about tomorrow.
That's about today too.
What?
What do you mean?
No. I'm guessing the thing that we talked about, the thing that you sent in DMs.
That's for tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. How about I
I
say?
thought you were talking about the gut feeling
Oh,
and
oh,
trying to help
oh,
people.
oh no. Oh yeah, no. That's for
Like
both
that's for
days.
today too. That's for every
That's for
every day. I try to help people, but the
Yeah,
gut
exactly.
feeling is only for moderate plus days for me.
Like
Like
there's
big moderates.
there's some moderates where it's like, okay, it's a moderate. We got this. We can do it. It's gonna be bad, but we got this. And then there's like these moderates, and now a high risk where it's like, oh wow, oh wow, I uh I don't know. Yeah, it's scary. Just it is. Yeah, it's scary. And you know what? While we're at it, yes, we have a day 3 slight risk for the East Coast. 15% chance probabilities. We don't have any like tornado things or anything like that yet. We have to wait till tomorrow to get that info. I'm guessing TRG is gonna
Oh,
go.
by the way, here is the SPC. They just did their key messages just now. For tomorrow, numerous significant tornadoes, some of which should be long tracked and violent, severe wind gusts, some hurricane force, and very large hail, all expected. Jeez. So essentially, they're saying long tracked violent tornadoes expected.
You said for tomorrow, right?
Yep. I mean, they try to word it as little as they can. You know, numerous significant tornadoes, some of which should be long tracked and should be potentially violent, but they're really just saying violent tornadoes expected. They're
Yeah,
just not actually saying that wording because it causes so much fear.
yeah. Oh, I was about to say causes so much drama, but no, drama is not the right word. It's definitely fear.
Not from the SPC, no.
You know, but yeah, yeah. This is definitely big, and we need everyone to please be weather aware. I'm gonna say this multiple times today, and even when we're covering, yo, we're not gonna get a break. If we somehow get a break, TRG, like you know me, I still might go get dinner, but I'm like, I might just like I'm talking about like stuff my face, like I can't miss this. I just can't. Chad, do you think the SPC will issue a 45-second tornado risk for tomorrow? James, I will also tell you it is possible. It is. It's definitely possible. TJ, what do you think? 45-second for tomorrow is possible? Maybe, maybe not.
Buddy, you can't say that.
You can't.
No, 45 sig tour that unless they mention a risk upgrade from for tornadoes, no. I suppose it's possible, but it's not like
It's not definitely not likely. I'll tell you that. It's definitely not likely, but there's always that small chance, y'all. How do you feel about today going high risk, possibly?
I
Um,
mean, we have a 30 sig day too, so honestly, tomorrow could go 45 sig. But that's just such a
that's just such a crazy thing.
we'd have to see everything on our high end scenarios, verify and more.
Yeah.
Like we would have to see that rapid destabilization with no overnight convection, and I don't
Uh,
think we're gonna see no overnight convection.
that's probably not gonna happen. There's no way. Well, I mean, obviously there's a way, but I just saying, like I don't think so.
Also, the HRRR keeps initiating more and more discrete supercells for tonight. Like 1 a.m., there's a completely lonesome, fully discrete supercell southeast of Little Rock producing a strong, intense tornado on the HRRR. Am I disconnected?
No, I was just letting you speak.
Oh, man. Normally it's a wow or a that's crazy or a I agree or
I,
which HRRR run, but no, this time it's just dead silence trying to eat, look at TikToks.
bro, if you really think I'm looking at TikToks, you are out of your mind. Like you must be out of your mind. I'm not. I promise you. I can put that on everything. I'm not. All right, guys. Let's take a look at the models, shall we? We are gonna use the 12Z because 12Z is gonna be, I guess more, a little more accurate than like what your 12Z is usually more accurate than 18Z, right? Like
What?
theoretically, 12Z is more accurate than 18Z,
Uh,
or does
honestly,
it
with
just
the
depend?
uptrends we're currently seeing, the new stage triple R is best bet.
Okay, now you're cutting out. You can even hear it on
Yeah.
you can hear it on stream too. Unless that was literally just me. I don't know if y'all heard it or not, but so
It might be my bandwidth might be capping out on Discord.
probably. So repeat what you just said. You said something about
You probably want to use the new stage triple R, considering we're still seeing uptrends for today.
well,
Now,
I don't like that new ARRR.
if
Oh
you're talking
wow.
about tomorrow, yes, definitely
Oh
want
yeah,
to use
12Z.
12Z,
Yeah,
but the 18Z is rendering in, so I would probably
it's already rendering in.
right when that's done, it's about to render in.
Oh, because on 17Z we're 66% the way there, at least on my end.
It's like 30 minutes till it starts rendering 250.
Yo, this is absurd. This is
I
like,
hope it's Discord bandwidth. The last thing I need is Wi-Fi problems today.
oh god. Yeah, that is the last thing that we need.
I already had some computer problems today, and they're still, I don't know why, but my Streamlabs is bugging out still. But what can you do? I tried to fix it, it didn't work.
Now we just gotta hope and pray, honestly.
It might be something to do with my actual um just scene transitions. I haven't tried to do that. Try to fix them. See if that did anything. Nope, it still glitches. It's a little annoying, but it's not like a breaking bug. Every time I switch scenes, you can get a quick glimpse of what the scene's gonna go to.
Yeah.
Your stream, bud, not mine.
I know, I
All
know, I'm just chillax, man. Chillax.
right, I'll just be quiet then.
No! Here goes this dude again, bro. Oh my god. This dude. But yeah, y'all, I do not like this HRR run. This is like crazy. Like, just look at that. TRG was here.
I am here. Just every time I talk, Lucky goes quiet for like 5 minutes.
No, not true.
Still
Huh.
quiet, by the way, y'all. There you go. Aha. That's all you get out of him.
No, bro. Like, can I not look at the model and then analyze it? I mean, come on.
You're supposed to be commentating what you're analyzing, explaining what you're seeing, and why you're.
Well, I can tell you that if I'm not mistaken, I would have to compare. Let's do this, compare that to this, that. It looks like, at least the more northern part has a little more capping at the same time at 22Z than compared to the 12Z.
I'm gonna be honest. You really shouldn't be comparing models at this moment. Like the same model run, it's not really.
But you cut out.
Oh my word, dude. Like right now, the HRRR is an outlier with instability and dew points, so you shouldn't really be comparing it.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough.
And that could very easily be on your end on Discord, buddy.
I mean, it could be.
Because mine has no issues. I keep talking and I can see the bars picking me up fine. And then I go to your stream and I cut out.
Yeah. I don't know. It could be my end. All right, let's see. So 0.3 kh. That's still those values are still pretty pretty decent, honestly. I mean, you have values up to I saw 150. There's 172 for 0.3 kh. And then, as we go, farther, it's still any storms that get into that environment, it's still gonna produce at least some type of severe weather. And SRH, shear with the system in general is gonna be crazy because if I'm not mistaken, we have a 75 knot lower level jet. Hmm, dude, that is
Can we
absurd.
please nowcast instead of looking at the HRRR?
For me
It's
now,
okay to look at it, but you need to be now, not forecasting. Pull up the mesoanalysis and see what mesoanalysis has for the next 6 hours. That's how you get accurate information day of. On the HRRR, the main thing I look at day of on the HRRR is just simulated reflectivity. Everything else is mesoanalysis.
all right, whatever. Got you.
Because the HRRR day of is going to have a lot of. It's going to be overconvecting, underconvecting, overdoing wind shear, underdoing dew points, overdoing temperatures. That's why I wish we had a good model run. Even though the HRRR is good, it has so many bias. Exactly, Ethan. You're looking for the consistencies between the model runs of the HRRR.
Yeah.
So you can compare like 17Z all the way to 12Z, but before you were comparing the 17Z to the 12Z, you need to be comparing the last 6 runs of the HRRR. Which, if you didn't know, College 2 page has a setting built in for you to do that.
All right. Got it.
You can actually go for like the last 10 runs of the HRRR using that setting. And the whole thing shifts south with the greatest convection. No, I take that back. It doesn't shift south. It initiates a lot more storms south. Here, I will show you a screenshot so that you know what I'm trying to say here. So this was the run early this morning. Really good, right? Still
Uh-huh.
really good. And then the newest run, you could see how it's more south. Not really the whole line more south, but
More
just,
storm south.
yes, more storm south, more convection, which is probably it, trying to get rid of that temperature and dew point bias it has.
Yeah.
It's called overmixing, which you've probably heard of.
I've definitely heard the word. All right, so
Yeah, I could easily see a high risk at the next stop. I would
yeah,
not be surprised.
it might be on my end because you've cut out like 4 times in the past minute, so it probably is on my end.
Oh my word, you want to know what's wild?
What?
The NSSL just tweeted. That's the National Severity Storms Laboratory. Where have all the EF5's tornadoes gone? They tweeted that at 2 p.m. Where have all the EF5 tornadoes gone? When we are dealing with 2 very volatile outbreaks.
Bro.
The timing on that is absurd. Like, really, out of all days you choose to tweet that, you choose today. I wonder if they've scheduled that like days in advance and just happened to land on today. or if they purposefully did that. Oh wait, I just saw it. They last tweeted this exact same thing. It was before the Twisters movie was released. Oh, maybe not. That was something different with the same exact screenshot.
I don't know if it.
Yep, never mind. Skip that. It was just the same screenshot, but not the actual same article. What are you looking for? Something underperforming?
No. I was looking at.
New
I was doing.
subscriber.
Oh no. Thanks for telling me because I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Hit me with it. I'm ready.
It's gonna be like 5 minutes late, and it's gonna scare the living daylights out of you.
Nope. I'm ready.
Because that's what donations used to do for me too, and then I had to turn everything off because we had all the trolls.
Yeah. No, that one troll TRG that was
Still
crazy.
here. They tuned in like 2 days ago.
Same name? No,
Yeah.
I'm talking about no that one name that about me.
That was the same person. Yeah.
Do we know? Is it the same person that we found out who it was?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro,
They're still making new accounts after I've banned over 50 of them.
I've been at least 20 on my end too. Yeah, I'm ready. I don't think it's gonna pop up. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, no. But whoever you are that subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And I hope to see you in future streams. All right. So this is the
I
service
can't
based.
believe we have a modder in north central Mississippi today.
I know, right?
That thing goes from freaking central Iowa to north central Mississippi into Indiana too. Like that thing is huge. Second
Yeah.
biggest moderate risk in history. And that includes ever since the SPC started issuing outlooks. I think they start. We have archives. Their actual list goes back to like 1983 or so, but I'm pretty sure they did outlooks before that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first outlook appears to have been in 1948.
Wow. What was
But
that?
you
What
can
was that
very
outlook?
easily view the 1983 outlook. It was a first tornado forecast, so it wasn't actually the established SPC.
Ah.
Well, let's see when the SPC was founded then. Yeah, I know that's wrong. You're stupid, Google.
What did it say? Like 2000 something?
It said 2014.
Yo, that is crazy.
1947.
Yo, I kid you not, I was gonna say 48. I was thinking about it, but I don't know if I wanted to say it. I was thinking about 48.
I don't know. That seems a little early too, to be honest with you, because that means they were established even before the first Outlook. I think Google's wrong here. I'm going to go to the NWS, see if they say.
Go on ChatGPT.
That's probably wrong too.
Actually, I can fact check on my other. Give me like 5 seconds. So when was the Storm Prediction Center, right?
Yeah.
Storm Prediction Center founded.
I hate Google. It gives you like 3 different answers.
The Storm Prediction Center was founded on April 1st, 1956. It was established as part of the U.S. Weather Bureau, now the National Weather Service, and initially focused on severe storm and tornado forecasting. The SPC is now part of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, and continues to provide critical severe weather warnings and forecasts.
Yep, that sounds way more likely. What was it, 1956?
Yep, April 1st.
Yep, that sounds a lot more accurate.
I'm telling you, man, ChatGPT to the rescue.
Google's over here, 2014. No. Wait, no. One was 1696. The
That's
next one
early.
was 2014, and then
Too
the next
late.
one was 1947.
Almost right ish. I mean, if we're really comparing 1690 something to 2014, and then we go to 1946. That's, I guess, you can almost consider that right. Look, hey, Tier, you see that little pocket of right now I'm looking on Meso analysis of uncapped, not that big circle, but it's in the middle of that.
The uncapped 100 cape, yeah.
Is it 100? That's
Yeah.
a lot of cape, man.
Buddy, we get more in North Carolina.
I know, right?
That's saying
You
something.
you might get like 2 clouds that form.
That's because storms just move through that
Now
environment, so it's
that's
actually
crazy.
it's a cool pool.
Is there a way for me to like hover over the plus 6 hours and then
Nope.
and still all right,
They're gonna revise mesoanalysis pretty soon. At
all
least
right.
that's what they said.
Well, I can't really circle it, but
Then again, when it comes to the government, pretty soon is the next decade.
at least, at least,
So I wouldn't quote me on it being actually soon,
yeah.
as in like this year.
Sup, sup, Parliament. Sup, Joshua. Sup, Kun, Kuna. I think that's how you say it. What states are in the worst path? I'm no good at reading maps. Well, we can.
Buddy, that's like 20 states.
All right, here we go. Let's start naming states. Let's see how good luck he's gonna do.
Actually, let's see how I wonder how many states. See how many states are an enhanced plus for today and tomorrow.
Okay, I'm gonna count real quick, y'all. So I might go quiet. All right. Okay, I already lost count.
It's got to be like 12 is my guess.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Counting halfway across the room.
13, 14,
For today, and then you got to count tomorrow, but don't double count.
oh well, that's hard. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
In season that, and South Carolina,
I know that's why I said 1, 2, and Georgia's in that. I don't think Georgia was into day one.
Florida too.
4
So you're like at 16, 17 states.
in total. Yeah.
Wow, I was pretty close with my random guess of 20. My actual guess, I think I said 12.
The highest goes into 2 states. Goes into Mississippi and Alabama. Oh, don't error code me now, stupid. My PC just error coded me for a second. Sorry, guys. You heard the little ding. Wait, hello? TRG? Hello? Oh, no.
Sorry, I was just letting you talk.
Okay, fair enough. No, I
Does that
genuinely.
sound familiar?
Nah, it actually doesn't. Anyway, no, I thought I actually lost you there because I had gotten error coded. It's been popping up for like the past 2 weeks. I think my PC's on live support, y'all, and I don't think all the streaming and radars and websites open is gonna help either.
I told you he abuses his PC.
I don't actually, y'all. Don't believe this dude.
Said that yesterday, and he's confirming it.
Yeah, well, it's not my fault though. How about that?
When's the last time you dusted it all out with a can of air?
A year ago.
Buddy. Supposed to do that like every 3 months.
You open your PC and dust it out.
No, use a can of air. Don't actually use a duster. You'll fry
What?
components.
Not
Get it.
okay.
Blizzard warnings. I was wondering if they'd ever do those. They got him up in Minnesota.
Let me guess, like 85-mile-an-hour winds or something like that.
Actually, only 55.
Oh,
Really a shocker considering how crazy the low is.
dang! This
What?
dude that I know, he lives in Texas. Where is he at right now? He is in. Oh no, he is in Utah. I'm guessing Utah got a lot of snow.
Everyone but NC and Virginia, pretty much,
What?
gets a lot of snow.
Okay, well, I'm talking about like now. Like just or not now, but like last night.
If he's in the mountains, yeah.
Probably, yeah. I think he is. Bro's
Utah,
skiing
Utah, that's
at
this state.
bro was skiing at nighttime.
Yeah, skiing. He's definitely high up.
Yeah, so all right. Back to model actually SPC meso analysis. Let's do a for significant tornado parameter TRG, what do you do? Fixed layer or effective layer for
I what are you looking at?
meso analysis?
What product?
Significant tornado parameter.
I barely look at that. Just
Oh,
kidding. Just kidding.
I was about to say, bro.
Effective layer, probably.
All right. Or can do significant tornado using 0 to 500 meter SRH.
The main one I use is supercell composite, though,
All right, let's do that.
at least for that.
All right, so we get up to 4. Then when these storms fired, they get into like a 10. And storms farther south, I can't even scroll down. Otherwise, this thing's not gonna work. Okay. Is that Arkansas? Getting it. Is that a 16 or 18? I think it's a 16 supercell composite. Not far south, but the more northern part is in a 10 to 12. No, 8 to 12 supercell composite. It's still a lot. Still, that still is a lot. Not as much as that 43 that we saw yesterday. That was crazy. And then what we had 17 STP. That was. Why is it error coding me? The code execution cannot proceed because whatever that is was not found. Reinstalling the program. What program? I'm not using any. Yo, y'all. My PC's literally about to like fry itself. All right, so let's go. So oh, this is STP. All right, it's starting. Yeah, it moves north, and then those ones get to about a 4 or 5 STP value. And I know on the national weather service on the SPC we do have violent tornado parameters. Let's see. Oh no, we can't go into the future with that. I know Oklahoma's under the most of 3 for violent tornado parameters. Huh. Wind shear. This is gonna be something. Okay, that is way too much. There's way too many lines for me to comprehend. Bulk shear 0 to 1 kilometer. Can we go in the future with that? No. We still got 30 knots. Yeah, you still got 30 knots up into Missouri. That's still crazy. That's as of right now, y'all, and it's probably gonna get even more later. I would imagine. All right, is the 18Z has not started to render in yet. Yo, that is crazy. But look at that. This is gonna be no joke, and I'm like worried. I'm genuinely worried. All right. go back here. Not that. Let me move this to this side. All right, let's do wind shear. Let's go to 0 to 1 SRH. Let's go into the future. The storms get into an environment around. Okay, that just did not work. Okay, where it gets to 400 SRH values, 0 to 1 kilometer. Almost, I think it's in right now. Those storms, not right now, but in 6 hours, it looks to be those storms getting to about a 300, I think, and there's 450 like right ahead of it. So that that is very favorable, y'all. Especially 0 to 1 kilometer, and we can't even go see 0 to 3 kilometer in the future. It's all right. All right. The LCL height still a little too high for Missouri right now. So I just, yeah, definitely nothing should be happening now. It's gonna start in the next few hours though, around 5 or 6 p.m. Central. No, wait, yeah, no, 4 or 5 p.m. Central. Let's see if we have anything else. All right. Yeah, mesoscale still in effect. No watches yet. All right. Also, something to note today, y'all. We do have a very big extreme risk for the day one fire outlook. If I'm not mistaken, TRG, is that fire risk even the elevated in the risk? That is.
Yep.
Does that make sense?
The extreme risk is actually that extreme slight.
Oh my.
Almost in the enhanced, but it's in the slight.
You want to go watch my stream real quick?
What? What'd your Discord do?
Just watch. Just watch. Ow! Ow!
I cut out like everything. Jeez.
uh, 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 uh.
You might need it. You might need a task kill Discord, dude.
All right, I
We'll have
got
to
you.
do that when you. Well, are you gonna do it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it real quick. It's gonna take like 30
All
seconds.
right, I'll do it too. So
All right,
it's gonna end the call.
3, 2, 1, go! We're gonna go to task manager. Yo, I cannot have TRG lagging out like this. Honestly, we're gonna leave it alone for like 15 seconds, and then we are going to. We're gonna look back on Discord, see if it works. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How doing?
I'm alive.
Good, 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 good. Oh, that's what I need.
What food?
No, I need this. Oh yeah. Now I'm comparing models. Ever since from yesterday, it definitely
Fun fact: they do note that first MCD most likely will end up being a severe watch, or maybe even two.
huh.
So they do not mention a tornado watch for that MCD. Which I think that MCD goes into our 10 sig tour and definitely into our moderate. But they may end up just going tornado watch anyways because that's the type of day we have.
Oh yeah, that thing just shifted. It's definitely on a more southward trend. It looks like you can just tell by just me just doing that. It's you can just see that it looks like it's just going more into like southern Missouri. This is at a 00Z tonight. I don't know if you see that TRG, but it's definitely looks like a little more uh southern trend. Now, just big question, radars. Um,
Would
sub
you say I'm enjoying my pre-stream snack?
must be nice. It
Mm-hmm.
must be nice, right? Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I was talking
Got it. That
about
might be the last time I eat for the next 8 hours. So,
you're right. Fill yourself up.
yep. You obviously know what I had earlier, and then just to right now, I was like, you know what? I should probably eat something else because I might not have the chance to later.
Facts.
But what were you saying?
If you look at my stream real quick right now,
I am.
all right, it looks
I've
like
had
it
it up the whole
is
time.
definitely on a southern trend. You can just tell majority
Hmm.
of the storms just definitely for more
That's what
southern.
Catman said earlier. Remember with the trough
Yeah, so he was right.
pushed
Yeah,
south. Yeah.
he was right. Yeah,
Hmm.
I just realized that. All right, let's see. I mean, yeah, definitely that is definitely crazy. It's more on a southern trend. And I was gonna say, radars. Personally, I don't think we're in such a big radar hole. I mean, I feel like we could have another one in far southeastern Missouri, but at the same time, I feel like this Springfield one will be able to,
Cover most of it.
yeah, Springfield
There's
and
going to be some struggles though, especially if we can get the right place supercell to be right in the radar hole, like we had
yeah,
on
no,
multiple other days in Dixie Alley.
yeah, no. That's what I like to do also before any risk is just look at the radars and then high risk real quick. So that isn't
That
okay.
one over Northeast Louisiana and Western Mississippi is brutal in Dixie Alley.
We're gonna have oh wow, okay, so we're oh wow, so we have two radars like right next to each other, basically. Just not really right next, but almost like hold up. Let's do this tool. What's this tool? No, not this one. Big line. 102 miles apart. They're wrong. Don't ask what I'm doing, y'all. I'm sorry. There you go. Huh. Interesting. Oh, severe in Michigan. What is that Michigan? That is. Wait, yeah, it is. But we're using a Canada radar. That is Michigan, right? I really hope. Yes, Michigan. Yeah, that is. I was really scared that I was wrong for some reason. It is for quarter size hail and less than or about about 50 mile per hour winds. We have a
Boo.
severe in Michigan.
We have a severe.
In Michigan.
Oh,
But
Bruh, that's freaking Canada.
that's what I'm saying. We're using a Canada
Like,
radar,
what?
bro. Like, I just realized that we had that severe. I was like, oh, severe. All right.
I don't know how long you're going.
I might be going till 3:30.
Okay.
Might as well. Might as well. Might as well. All right. So we are definitely not covering that severe because that's in Canada basically. I mean,
Does it look any good or is it just me?
I can't tell. Apparently this is high resolution, but it has a decent hail core. How about that?
What's it warned for?
uh quarter size hail, 1 inch, and less than 50 mile per hour winds. Or I think it means 50.
Yeah.
That's what yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go stretch around for the last time for the next 12 hours. No.
Oh
I
yeah,
have to get up at least every 3 hours on my streams or I'll end up getting blood clots.
facts.
We don't want that.
But yeah, no. Fun fact, an NBA player just got a blood clot in their left shoulder like about a couple weeks ago, so he's out for the rest of the season.
Yeah, they're very serious. I had a bunch of them.
Yeah.
I had a crazy amount of them
Yeah, I believe it.
in like 2022. It was not related to streaming, y'all.
Oh yeah, not at all. Nope. Alrighty, so I mean, oh, you know what we can look at right now? Ah, yes. Satellite. There. Ha! Wait a minute. See if I can find this TRG. I don't know if you hear me. Can you hear me?
Oh, I'm sorry. I left for a second.
There you go. You're good. You're good.
I
Um,
went to go throw out the 3 bottles of water from yesterday's stream.
no, you're
I
good.
forgot to.
I literally just asked for you, like not, but like 10 seconds ago. That CU field are starting up in
That Kansas,
southwestern,
Oklahoma.
yeah, and also southwestern, very little in southwestern Missouri. I think that is because I think I clicked Missouri, but
You can also see that dust too. That's a dust storm that formed in Lubbock, Texas, with 81-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I don't know how much it has now, but it had 81 in Lubbock. That was
it, wa-
measured on the
wa-
Mesonet.
83 at Amarillo.
Yeah, wow. So still pretty high.
Yeah, yo, we're gonna
Well,
see.
that was in Texas, so you don't know now.
Yeah, we may, and that's they say Cape it.
Dang. You see all the reports? I see 84 and 87 in there.
Dang, I have not looked at the reports.
Look,
I will not lie to you. Dang,
yeah, that's a lot of reports.
just a little.
The newest is right on top of that dust near Tulsa at 58. And then just now in Wichita, 71.
Could that dust do anything to this threat?
Oh, yeah, whoa, we got a lot of storms firing southeast Kansas.
Wait, what?
They really going. They already up to red DBZ.
Wait, that's what I thought. I didn't know those were just a really
No,
huge.
that's the primary storms firing right now in the general thunderstorm risk.
Guys, here we go. And we can watch this for like the next 30 minutes. Also, that I really didn't want to say those are storms, but they did look like storms.
Dude, no, they're storms.
Yeah, no, because look, if you
They
see it,
got rain, so they storms.
if you look on my stream, or if you just look on satellite, you could tell it's part. Yeah, the CU fell just Definitely. Do you think that dust could mess up anything a little bit?
Nah,
Too little
what's it
of
gonna
it.
do? Drown out the atmosphere?
Not with this atmosphere.
That'd be funny if it actually did, though. That'd be great.
It'd be great, but it would honestly kind of be shocking. It really would.
What was the reason for this bust? Dust.
Something that you see usually that you talk about in hurricane season.
Yo, yeah, true. Forgot about that.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
all.
Saharan dust.
That is only 3 months away, TRG. Well, the first
Yeah,
outlook
don't
is
remind me.
in 2 months from tomorrow.
I don't like it that much because it's so long of everything. Like long briefings, long coverage, long landfall, long duration
Lucky waking
outbreaks.
up at
Everything's
3 a.m.
long.
for coverage, for landfall coverage.
It's never short. Freaking 2 weeks of tracking this thing from off of Africa all the way over to here in the US.
And you know what else it means? More chases for us. Maybe. It also depends the tracks that it takes, but maybe.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna go on mute.
Alrighty, I got you. I'll go on mute too. But yeah, y'all. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so y'all, we do have storms firing in southeastern Kansas. We got lightning with it now. Still pretty far away, but I mean, we can still see. You can still see that they start to fire. There they go. It's about to turn upscale within the next hour. And I will have to end y'all just for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and continue at like 5. Sorry, I'm taking a sip of my drink. Alrighty. There we go. This is the first time the SPC has issued a day 2 high risk in March. That's crazy. And this is the only time. This is the third time that they've done it at all. Any states. Which is definitely really crazy. All right, let's see. Yeah, these storms are, like I said, they're gonna go upscale really fast, y'all. Yes, next live stream will be tonight. Well, not really tonight. It's gonna be at 5 p.m. Eastern. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do this. Also do this. I think SPC will put Alabama and Mississippi in either 45 or 60% SIG tornado. I do not agree with the 60. The 60 SIG. That's not happening. There's no way. It's gonna start at 5 p.m. Eastern time, Samuel. 60 SIG tornado it's just not happening. It's just not happening. There's no way. That's just not happening at all.
Grilled.
Yeah, yo, sorry about that. Oh, we do have a special weather statement out for that for these storms in northeastern Oklahoma. Wow, look at that. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour in nickel size hail. So, yeah. Let's see, let's see. Alrighty, y'all. Let's do this. Alright, yeah. So, like I said, we do have a special weather statement for these storms in northeastern Oklahoma. Uh, Nothing too crazy right now. Definitely some wind is gonna be the deal with this. Um, yeah. So definitely, like I said, y'all, please be weather aware today and even tomorrow. Let's see what I mean. Yeah, we'll be here for about like 26 more minutes tracking this thing. This is gonna be a historic event, y'all. Yeah, definitely gonna be historic. Alrighty. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Huh? Grilled? P, what? You should confuse me right there, P. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is gonna be, like I said, this is gonna be crazy, y'all. And yeah, these storms le- definitely grew upscale already pretty fast, and they're gonna keep going upscale even more. By the time I get back, we probably will have multiple tornado warnings. I feel like that's just what I think. I mean, they're in the general thunderstorm risk right now. They're gonna move into the marginal risk within like the next, I think, hour maybe. Let's see. Let's see. This is gonna be this is gonna be kind of crazy, y'all. Yeah, y'all. I would say I appreciate y'all already for tuning in. This Stream has already this was like a little pre-stream like oh, we have another special weather statement and we have that severe still for Michigan expires in 8 minutes. Yep, this one's moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Yeah, these storms are gonna be really fast moving too. So this is gonna be a crazy risk. I just know it. I mean, look at this, y'all. We already have a good amount of lightning with these storms already, and that's also an indicator of the storm strengthening. So that is definitely something to keep an eye on. Oh, it was I think it was an ad on his channel. It was yeah, it was an ad. I was trying to mute it. I didn't do it in time. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna see lots of severe storms today, y'all. Like I mean a lot. Let's take a look at satellite again. I know it did update, so let's see. Still going a little more upscale. Let's see you feel in Missouri is still starting to kick up too. This is gonna be historic, y'all, and it's nothing to mess around with. If you have family or friends in this risk, please let them know that severe weather's coming their way and it's coming fast. Make sure you tell them to get ready, be prepared just in case. You could also just say, just honestly be ready. I mean, you could be ready just in case the worst happens because you never know. You really never know. So, all right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do this. It made me think of grilled cheese, and I love grilled cheese. I do too. I love grilled cheese. It's so good. It's so basic, but it's so good. Yeah, let's see these storms. I would not be shocked if we see. Dang, dude. Can I sneak in for a second?
Hola. I was talking about the number one analog for tomorrow being April 27th, 2011.
Wow.
Yeah.
Um, I have something for you to look at.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, just east of the Tulsa radar, two so far discrete storms, and by the looks of it, if it gets its act together in the next like 20-30 minutes, this could be I want to say a first decent I want to say supercell because I mean you could look at it and
Yo.
it grew upscale really
Whoa.
grew really fast.
So that morning convection barely did a thing then if we're somehow already seeing storms here. We actually did have an overperformance in overconvection. If you follow me on Twitter, sorry for the self promo, Lucky.
No, you're good.
Then
I
you
don't
would
care.
know that because I did point that out. Yeah, there is indeed about 2 to 4 supercell composite out here. It's definitely not a volatile environment yet, but in the next 2 hours, that supercell composite will go from 2 to 4 to 12.
Yeah,
So this could definitely be, these two storms could definitely end up being cells to watch in the future
and
as
they
that
both just
volatile
got
environment happens around 5, 6 p.m. Eastern.
they both just got special weather, same as the two I was just talking about. Uh, the more southern one, 15 miles per hour and nickel size hail,
By the
and
way, chat, that was off of mesoanalysis. I wasn't using the HRRR.
it's same thing for the more northern one.
Yep. I don't see an
Is
imminent
this?
tornado threat, but in the future, yes, there could
Oh
definitely be
yeah,
a good
oh
tornado
yeah,
threat
yeah,
out
yeah,
of
yeah.
that.
Um, correct me if I'm wrong. Please do. Is this starting a little bit early?
Um,
Because
yeah, definitely.
I know SBC we're talking about
Because we were
the
talking like we were looking at 5. I was almost gonna push stream back, but
yeah.
yeah, definitely starting early.
Okay, I'm being careful
Also,
with what I say.
pay attention to Louisiana and Texas. There is just a quite high amount of ingredients down there, and the HRRR wants a big chonker of a supercell to form down there
Oh, I bet.
because we'll have 12 or greater supercell composites. So we'll need to keep an eye down here. I think it will be clustered, but the new
And he just saw.
HRRR has like 6 supercells down here in 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours. Wow.
That's
Very
crazy.
clustered, but gracious day. What happened to the EML? So we might end up having a bit of a higher threat for severe weather out here in Louisiana, but hopefully the EML is stronger than what the HRRR thinks. So just keep an eye on that. Keep that in the back of your mind. Check back there every hour or so just to make sure nothing's firing. But thank you
Already?
for telling me about those storms east of Tulsa.
Yeah, of course, of course.
And you can say hi to stream.
What's up, chat?
We got a big day today. See, you didn't even cut out one
Oh
bit.
my! Sorry. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't anything. It was
You stubbed your toe again?
nope. I'm just gonna say it. Trolls.
Oh.
And I just did not see it until like after they did like 30 messages. But that's it. That shows you how focused I am on this already.
All right. Well, just if anything happens with those storms, let me know because I'm not going to be paying very close attention to them for like at least 15 minutes.
Yeah, I might leave.
I know you're going to go soon.
Yeah, I might end in 15, but I might stick around just for a little longer.
Till
At
like
least
4 or so, and then
Yeah.
leave from 4 to 6 or something.
like 3:50, and then come back at like 5:30.
You're going to be coming back like when peak starts.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna just go ahead and schedule the stream too. It's gonna be literally same title, same everything. So
Yeah, that's fine.
but I'll let you know for sure if I see anything.
Keep an eye on them MCDs because if they do issue a high risk today, the MCD would be issued any second.
All right, I will take a look at that real quick.
But look at all them storms firing up on the cold front dry line. That's crazy.
Yeah,
They're finally getting into that marginal risk, which not a bad forecast from the SPC. Just they did fire a little bit sooner.
yeah.
Oh, that's your severe watch. That is a tiny little severe watch.
I was just about to check for severe watches, and I did not see it on the SPC.
Wow. 80-60 severe watch for wind.
Dang.
2010 for tornadoes. So that tornado threat will be low until these storms get east of that severe watch area, which that's not that big. That's not a big severe watch. I mean, that goes into the tiniest sliver of your moderate. A little surprised they did pull that severe watch and not a tornado watch there, but I could see why. The greatest supercell composite is on the southern end of this, and anything more north in like southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, there's just not a lot of tornado ingredients more north than that. So we'll keep an eye on those tail end cells like Lucky was talking about. And that would pose your greatest tornado threat over the next 2 hours until we get towards 5 p.m. Eastern, and then everything could start rotating.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
All right. Well, if you see anything else, just jump scare me.
I will.
Thank you.
Of course, of course. Yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on those storms for like the next couple minutes. Let's see, let's see. So yeah, y'all, we are, like I said, watching these for next few minutes. We are gonna be also keeping an eye on satellite too. Those storms, they are in a pretty okay environment right now for sure. We just gotta see what what they're gonna do in that environment. Uh, all right, let's see. We got that right there too. Alrighty. TRG is live right now. That's if that's what you're asking, Samuel. Yeah, if that's what you're asking. He has already started his live stream. Yeah, these stores are definitely going upscale pretty quickly, y'all. So just be weather aware. Yeah, storm's already almost about to hit the yeah, TRG's live. Yeah, TRG's live, Samuel. He's already live. Let's see. We've had all these wind reports already. Like little wind gust reports that are from non-thunderstorms. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on we will keep an eye on it though. Yeah, we're gonna start wrapping up here in a few. Let me mute this real quick. All right, let's see. All right. So these storms that I was talking about just a little bit ago look like they might be dying out just a little bit, which I'm sure they'll re-strengthen soon. I think I know they will. No, you're good, Pete. You're good. It's just it caught me so off guard. It was already three of them. And plus, we'll be live. We'll be live and again at 5, but we're ending here in about 7. All right. So let's see.
Holy crap! Look at the 18ZH triple R for tomorrow.
All right. Should I be scared?
Very.
Oh no. Okay.
It is insanity.
Well, you're about to get my live. You're about to get my live
Yeah,
reaction.
stay unmuted.
So tomorrow, which means that we gotta go to this area. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so that's that. Okay. Nothing too crazy, right? Uh,
Have I had Lucky muted this whole time, y'all? Well, Lucky, I don't even know if they heard you at the start of this stream. When did I mute that?
I have no clue.
I hope they heard you at the start. Did you guys hear Lucky at the start when he called out those cells in Oklahoma? But yeah, there you go. Isn't that something, Lucky?
Yeah,
Gracious day.
that is
I told you the 0Z last night was an outlier. Okay, so Lucky, I must have muted you on Discord. Like I muted my Discord mute button, and then I also did Streamlabs too. Lucky was muted for over 40 minutes. Hey Marcus, we've been live for 25. We ain't been live for 40 minutes, buddy.
yeah, that is
And we already have a significant severe in western Missouri and eastern Kansas. Look at that.
wow. Already, we're starting off strong. That is
We're starting
already
off significant. The first severe of the day is freaking significant in
that
our risk area.
that is not a good sign, y'all. That really
It
is
is
not.
insane. Those little baby showers right there are producing 70-mile-per-hour winds.
And imagine what a full-fledged supercell or thunderstorm
Or
could do.
bow echo or a squall line or anything like that. They might expand that high risk as far northwest as southwestern Tennessee.
You think so?
It depends on the warm sector, right? Right now, that is where they are most confident in the greatest warm sector being. You can see the moderate how it cuts off like that. So that's as far north as they say the warm sector is going to go at the moment. But the HRRR says no. It pushes that main warm sector all the way up into almost Nashville for the overall greatest threat of all hazards. So I would not be shocked if that high risk gets expanded quite considerably to the northwest. Probably not all the way into southwestern Tennessee. But the HRRR, I mean, the HRRR has some potential long tracked strong tornadoes in southwest Tennessee at 1 p.m. Literally 1 p.m. Isabella 45 SIG is a very surreal possibility.
Yeah.
At this point, I almost see it being issued tomorrow. It all will come down to
Oh shoot!
weather balloon data.
TJ, I'll be right back. Give me like 3 minutes, okay? Say bye.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll be back later at around 5 o'clock. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. I'm sorry this is so abrupt, but yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see y'all later around 5:30. All right. Stay safe and watch this severe weather. Good.